Hey everyone, it's Dave Berman from Daily Laughers with your Laugh of the Day video for February 13th, 2016. It's day 44 in a row making a video to demonstrate just how easily we can laugh on purpose because it feels good and it's good for us. Our mind and body give us the same benefits, health benefits, lots of them, whether we're laughing at something funny or laughing on purpose. And that's the premise of laughter yoga. It's something that's done all around the world, and so I get the opportunity every day to talk to somebody new. Today it's Justin Wright in Olympia, Washington. Hey there, Justin.
Hello, David.
I think you're the first one who's done the video with me from outdoors. That's kind of neat.
Yeah, welcome to Olympia, Washington.
Looks gray there. Yeah. All right, so you are a laughter yoga leader and also a performing clown, and we'll find out a little bit more about your laughter work after we do some laughter together. So tell us what you're going to demonstrate or what you're going to lead me through today for this video.
So I found that laughter precedes language. It communicates, and it is something that we have along with things that are naturally happening to us.
Right.
We make these sounds, and one of the sounds that we make that we usually can't control, that is also contagious like laughter, is a yawn. And there's a number of these things that we do automatically, and I've worked with them to say those can be laughs as well. So I call these automatic self-regulating vocalizations. So, for instance, the yawn. Like that's it. I go.
Yeah. All right, just take us through the whole series of them. Let's do a bunch of these.
Okay. The sneeze. Oh, the shiver.
What else? How about like crying? Crying's pretty close to laughter. So these are the laughter sounds of life. These are the ordinary things of life that we can just allow the sounds of to turn into laughter sounds. That's beautiful.
When these feelings come across you, like you're going to sneeze or you're going to yawn, it's kind of easy to remember this now. Hey, just give in to this. This is something that I can laugh along with. Nobody worries about it. I sneeze like this when I actually sneeze. Like, and people are like, well, that was interesting.
That's great. So we got yawn, we got sneeze, we got crying, we got shivering.
When you're eating, the yummy sound.
Yeah.
Or yucky. Well, they don't
I imagine we could go on and build quite a collection of these. I invite our viewers to come up with their own and just make laughter a part of your life. The whole reason for this series of videos is to inspire people to laugh on purpose every single day because it feels good and it's good for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily Laughers. Join our Facebook group, Daily Laughers, and we'll continue to give you videos like this and even more unusual and diverse ways of laughing every single day with people from around the country and from around the world. And Justin, tell our viewers how they can find out about your work with laughter.
Well, it's easy to find me, justbetheclown.com, and I'm on Facebook, a lot of different other social media. I'm the only Just Be out there, really. So yeah, what else do? I do little workshops. I do a laughogram, like a singing telegram, stuff like that. I do some college level internships. I can have people come in and learn clowning and the related laughter professions like that.
Excellent. So it's not just laughter yoga, which you're also trained as a leader, and most of our guests have some involvement with laughter yoga. You have taken your laughter into other contexts as well, which is great. Excellent.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you for being with us on this video. I hope the next time I see you, you're indoors and dry, and maybe we can laugh together another day. Thanks again.
For having me, Dave.
All right, you're welcome, and we'll see y'all tomorrow for another Laugh of the Day video on Daily Laughers. Bye now.